Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay February 6, 2023, Monday. At mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating featured news ay tungkol sa BPI. Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer. Nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa stock market o wealth management, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, February 6, 2023, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating headlines ay galing po ng BDO Securities. Inflation likely eased in January. So ito po ay galing sa isang survey at Philippines to see limited impact of China reopening. And then BPI closes 2022 with record net income of 39.6 billion pesos. Ito po yung ating main news. M-wide spending 5 billion pesos for second Parañaque transport terminal. AC-led group interested in NAIA modernization. And 4 firms keen to participate in MER supply action. Pero ating main news ay galing po dito sa BPI, but before that, let me share with you this. Most Asian markets drop as US jobs fund rate worries. Asian markets mostly fell on Monday, which is today, and the dollar extended gains after a forecast-busting US jobs report fund expectations of a more Federal Reserve interest rate hikes. So adding to the downbeat mood were geopolitical concerns after the United States shot down a suspected Chinese spy balloon that had floated across the country for days. So yan po ang one of our news items, no? So tignan natin ang market mamaya, mukhang down ang ating market. So dito na po tayo sa ating main news summary from BDO Sec. BPI net income climbed 41% year-on-year to 9.1 billion in the fourth quarter, bringing the full-year earnings to 39.6 billion, up 66% year-on-year, on the back of strong loan growth, higher lending margins, and lower provisions. Excluding the impact of property sale in second quarter 22, net income would have been 35.9 billion and up 50% year-on-year. For the 12-month period, net interest income rose 22% to 85.1 billion on robust loan growth and wider net interest margins on NIMS, NIMS. Non-interest income increased 20%, driven by gains from asset sale forex transactions and credit card and transaction banking fees. Operating expenses grew 14%, mostly due to higher technology and marketing costs, and loan loss provisions fell 30% year-on-year to 9.2 billion as asset quality continued to improve with non-performing loans or NPL ratio declining to 1.76% in the fourth quarter. So the commentary is BPI's full year 22 earnings performance was broadly in line with our estimates. So yan po, magkakaroon po ng briefing ng mga analyst for more details. So tingnan po natin ang BPI mamaya. Samantala naman ay tunghayan po natin ang inyong mga tanong. And I saw one here. Si Bobbert does stuff. Thank you, sir, for the stock review. Please keep it going. Salamat, Bob Earth does stuff. Maria Susan Nunez, good day. Would you recommend selling DMCI stocks to protect capital gains or just hold on to it for a longer time since it consistently gives dividends? Well, alam mo, Susan, parehong good objectives yan, but they are from different mindsets. Ano? Yung una na tanong mo, selling DMCI stocks to protect capital gains, that is the objective of a trader, short-term investor or trader. Samantala naman, holding it for a longer period since it consistently gives dividends, that is the mindset of a long-term investor. Okay? If you own just one lot of DMCI, o maliit lang na DMCI, well, you can do only one or the other. But what you can do is you should have something for trading and also stocks for long-term investing. Okay? You should have an investment portfolio and a trading portfolio, just like what most people do and most banks or the banks do. No? Ang bangko kasi meron siyang trading portfolio or trading inventory and meron siyang long-term or investment inventory. So the same is true for people. Ano? For me, in my case, I have a trading portfolio and an investment portfolio. Pwede mong gawin, bumili ka ng DMCI, one for trading, one for investment. So, halimbawa, 1,000 shares of DMCI for trading, 1,000 shares for investment. Ganon. Kasi parehong good objectives yan eh. Kasi DMCI can be long-term, it can be short-term. So, you have to have this mindset of whether your objective is long-term or your objective is short-term. Pero parehong tama po yun, wala pong mali doon. But it's just different, no? Yung mindset mo dyan is different. One is for long-term, one is for short-term. Okay, Susan? So, pwede mong gawin, hatiin mo yung iyong portfolio. Isang trading, isang investment. Nasa-solve mo yan. Pareho mong magagawa. Okay, so let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, bumaba po siya 90.77 points. So, nagkatotoo ito, no? Most Asian markets drop as US jobs fund rate worries. So, nasa 6936.61. It's still bullish, but the red candlestick is there. And it's a short candlestick, although the medium and short-term, or medium and long-term indicators are still under the candlestick. Market activity, 103 companies declined, 79 advanced while 51 remained unchanged. The all-share index declined by 0.83%. All sectoral indices are down, led by services at 1.33%. The most active stocks, tingnan natin. Si Ali, BDO, BPI, ICT, SM, and DMC. Yan po yung titingnan natin today. Okay, so let's now start with Ali. Si Ali, yan, naku, down siya. Down si Ali, and bumababa na po yung RSI, although medyo nasa bandang lower mid na siya, no? Pero hindi pa po siya babang-baba. And the resistance looks like it's holding at the 100-day EMA, no? 100-day EMA is the resistance level, while the support for Ali ay nakikita ko po dito sa area to. Let's draw na lang a parallel channel. Pinaka more or less yan po ang kanyang movement. Yan. Si Ali. So, the upper channel is the resistance at 33.5 and the lower channel, the lower resistance is at 29.70, whereabouts, very near the 100-day EMA at 29.27. Then BDO, dahan-dahan itong tumataas. Yan. Alam niyo, nagko-consolidate lang po si BDO. Tatahimik to. Pero yan po siya. CBDO, and it's at 125 and hovering within this level lang. At mukhang ang tingin ko dito tataas pa ito dahil strong yung kanyang performance. Maganda po ang performance ng banks lalo na po ang BPI. So yan po, no? So right now I see the support here at yan, banda rito po yung lower support niya nasa 113, no? Yan po. Yan po yung pinaka lower support niya. And then the resistance, di ko muna ipaplat po yan. The higher support is somewhere here, 121. But the lower support is at 113. Then si ICT naman. ICT nagkaroon ng red candlestick siya yan, but it's still bullish. And then parallel channel, kung gagawa natin ito, ganyan lang. Yan, 227 and support is at 200, ano? So still strong si ICT. Tingnan nga natin na ang fundamentals nito. Nasa 279 ang target price, but this will have to be revised, ano? Kasi yung earnings report ng 2022, dapat natin tingnan yan. 28% upside, but this is based on a third quarter performance. Then SM ganun din, ano? We will have to wait for the fourth quarter performance. Strong pa rin siya, nagdidip lang po siya ng konti. And it looks like the medium-term indicator is acting as support. Nasa 908 to 910 po yung support level, while the resistance of SM is very near this area, 962 to 963. And still, bullish to sideways pa rin po si SM, and looks like paakyat pa rin po ito. Ang gut feel ko lang po. Finally, we have DMC. DMC can be both a short-term and a long-term investment. Okay, DMC is 11.72 up 28%, pero napapansin po ninyo, nagkaroon po ng breakdown po dito, but it's still strong, ano? Kasi fundamental wise, neutral po si BDOSEC, but again, we will have to take a look at the latest finances nito or FS nito, no? Fundamentally, mababa siya, neutral, and then the target price is just 10.30, kaya lang 11.72 na, no? Nag-over na siya dun sa kanyang target price. Maganda rin po magbigay ito ng dividendo, no? So support is here. Nasa EMA 100 at 1033. Nasa 1080 po ang support ni DMC. So, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-6 ng Pebrero. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.